If in present era, in today's world, you are absolutely lonely, then we really need to talk about this. This is a point of concern, and usually tech channels are not the one who usually talk about it, but this is a serious issue. So we really need to talk about this, discuss it just like friends, and this is exactly what I'll be doing in this video. And by the way, in case you are just a person who always like to watch the tech videos, just yesterday or day before yesterday, I posted over a 1 hour long video, which actually helps you to make React Native apps in JavaScript, of course, TypeScript technically, and connect with the app right authentication. So in case you are somebody who says, I just want to watch the code videos, go on to that video. This video is not for you. I'm really mentioning this because a lot of people sometimes mention this to my DMs and says that, hey Tesh, why you post the videos which are not programming centric? And the reason why I'm mentioning this, because these kinds of videos actually get a lot more attention. You see more of these videos. I post those videos as well, but they don't get that much of attention. So yes, that's why I'm mentioning this. Yes, I'm constantly posting almost every week a lot of coding tutorials, but they get less reach, but it's okay. I still enjoy them. All right. So coming back onto the point that why I'm making this video, because this is a serious issue and somebody needs to talk about it. Here I am to talk about this. In order to understand the context of this video, first, just pause and take a look on this screenshot. Take a pause and just read the screenshot here. Now, in case you have read this screenshot, there are usually two mindsets that you might be building it up. The first one being, hey Tesh, somebody is just trolling you. And if it is just a troll on me, somebody's trying to take a dig on me, it's okay. I'll take that as a light joke and I really don't care about it. You don't really reach to a point of this much of social subscriber base and social media presence if every single such comment gets under to your skin. It really doesn't bother me, especially these days when I'm in college and enjoying the life. Nothing really bothers me that much. But actually this comment gave me an idea, a chance, that I should really talk about something serious which is in this comment, which says, don't suggest me these kinds of videos, I'm lonely. Let me, for example, or to understand more of this video, I'll give you the context of this comment. Few weeks ago, I posted a videos in which I mentioned a scenario in which some IIT folks are just gathering together and trying to learn together. Although people derail the situation with just the money, but the idea was that, hey, you can also gather some of your friends and try to learn together. You can learn it from Free Code Camp, my YouTube channel. When together you learn, the speed is much more faster. That was the whole context of it. But people just took the context in the money part, that why they are paying to mentor. That's their choice. You don't want to pay, Free Code Camp, my channel. Anyways. So I posted this situation and a lot of people got benefit out of it. Now they have gathered the friends, they are living together as well. And they're messaging almost me daily that, hey Tesh, that was a great idea. Now we are living in the same flat, we are learning at a great speed, and it gave them a great idea. But this comment which says, and it bothers me a little bit because of the situation. This guy mentions that don't mention this video, it's a useless video because I'm lonely. And why are you lonely in this world? There are a couple of reasons which you should really learn here and try to take a look on the world from different perspective. Now, the problem is I'm lonely. If you are in the college and you still don't have great friends, at least one friend, then this is a matter of concern. Matter of concern not because the world is against you, or not a matter of concern because world doesn't align with you or world doesn't have an IQ. You might be of a higher IQ person. World doesn't have that much of IQ. But this is a point of concern because you are missing something crucial known as social skill. Coding skills are great, editing skills are great, video making skills are great, DSA skills are great, but one more important aspect of life is social skills. If you really lack into them, you can learn it as well. There are a lot of books around it, there are a lot of YouTube channels around it. Pick any, but learn about social skills. Take part in activities in your college, take part activities in your school, but learn these social skills. Right now, you are very much focused and centric just about learning the coding, leaving the entire world behind you and just focus on coding skills. That's great for certain point and certain aspect. But in the end of the day, this social skills, this social network skill is going to be the most important aspect of your life. Right now, you're just giving all in for just learning the DSA, the MERN, these days it's very popular, or any other skills that you're learning. But what's more important is how much you are socializing. If you're mentioning this, that I'm totally lonely, I have no friends in college, I only want to make friends who are just coding friends, who only code can be my friends, I think that's a wrong perspective towards life. And don't think from the life perspective from a young teenage boy who is in just 20s. Try to look at a life from a perspective of 45-year guy or a 50-year-old guy. Eventually, you'll reach at that point. You will age, and you should be aging gracefully with a network of people. And you just think like from the coder's perspective. Let's take you on to the company sector where you'll be working, or maybe you'll be starting some of your startup. At that point of time, even your social skills actually are much more important than your coding skills. I'm not denying that the coding skills are not important. They are surely. These are something which is going to get you started. But at the end of the day, social skills are also equally important. For example, you just have cracked an interview. In the interview, there was more focus on just the coding rounds. But there will be an HR round which will try to say that how well are you able to mingle with the teammates. Your teammates might be of different age group, different countries, and you really need to talk to them. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with your code? What's wrong with them? What's wrong in their code? You need to communicate. You need to communicate in such a way that it's not offensive to them. It shouldn't look like that, hey, I'm just an introvert, I don't talk, and just show me the code. It doesn't work like that. The world is full of people. You deny that, you agree with that, this is the fact. And you need to really understand this fact. If, let's just say, company sends you on the on-site on USA or Spain or somewhere, you need to mingle with people. I'm not asking just go all social, but at least enough of the social skill so that you don't feel anybody awkward in your presence. This is important. And if you'll be totally saying all in the mode that I'm alone, I don't want to talk to anybody, I'm introvert, this is going to hurt you in the long run. Another example, if you really want to become an entrepreneur, at the end of the day, every single entrepreneur, these days it's a famous word, but end of the day, it's a business person. Business runs on network. Business runs on social skills. And if you don't have social skills, if you are not likable, who is going to buy your product? Nobody is going to. How you're going to secure your funding, how you're going to hire people? Through the network itself. How you're going to make the network? Via the social skills. I'm not asking you in this video that, hey, go out every single Saturday, mingle with random friends, but at least few good friends. And these good friends doesn't need to come from a coding background itself. Maybe you have the coding skills, make friend in the commerce section or art section. Maybe you'll be solving some of the commerce section problem which you have never imagined itself. Like for example, maybe make friends in the trading, or maybe in the social, or maybe in video makings or content creation. You really need to go out. If you're alone and you're still saying that world is totally not for you and you really want to live alone, you don't want to. Again, see it from a perspective of 45-year-old or 50-year-old. The world doesn't look really good when you're just alone. You need folks, some good folks. I'm not saying 100 or 1 million people on a subscriber base, but if you have just 3 or 4 good friends who you can talk, who you can share your problems with, this is an important aspect of life. So coding actually is very health-taking, mentally taking job. It requires your focus. You all the time want to just get involved into problem-solving mode. I want to fix this. I want to solve the problem. I want to solve this issue. But that's not all. Life is not all like that. You really need to go out and see people as well. So this is just 1 cent of advice I wanted to give out to the people that, hey, this social skill is also a learnable skill. There are a lot of good books around it. If you wish, just let me know in the comments. I'll recommend you in some next videos some of the good books through which you can learn these social skills as well. And nobody is born with these social skills. Just like you were not born with the coding skills, you are not born with the social skill as well. Eventually, you have to go out, practice it, move out from this awkward paradigm, and then eventually you'll start working with people as well. So again, it is very concerning if you are saying that I'm lonely, I have no friends, then it's the point of concern. Talk to somebody, talk to your parents, talk to your old friends. It's important that you become a social person, not just totally a coding person. All right. Hope you understand the point. Hope you understand the context. Hope nobody is going to derail this context, which usually people do in the social media, but that's okay. That's also a fun take for me as well. But overall, I would like to mention this again. It is problematic that if you are feeling totally lonely, you shouldn't be doing like that. It's a learnable skill. You can learn that too. If you wish, let me know in the comments. I'll mention some of the books in the next videos where you can just read them, learn about it. And no, I'm not selling any course about being sociable or something like that, but I'm pretty sure somebody does. So that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed this. And this channel is actually a mix of coding, life, experience, and all of that. So in case you want to subscribe, it's okay. If you don't want to, that's okay too. All right, let's catch up in next such video.